Hey guys, welcome back to Loon Global Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Worx cordless screwdriver. Now, let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we have. The taping on this is all over the place. I'm not sure here. Somebody just got crazy with the tape for some reason. Probably were insane. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's also glued. Oh my goodness. Alright. We got it though. We got it. Alright, so that's it. Everything is useless with that, but here it is. It comes in its own little case. So these guys can see it comes already in its case and everything ready to go. Now this is a 4-volt and a 3-speed cordless screwdriver here. So basically it has, let me get this little piece of plastic. I don't want to destroy it. Let's just take it off. Alright. Okay, this has 22 pounds of torque on your lowest setting, and it has 44 pounds of torque on your max setting. Okay, so you can't do anything really crazy on this. You can screw in some bolts and then that. The reason I got this specifically is for when I'm working on my PCs and I'm going to assemble the case and put the power supply and stuff like that. On the, on the lighter stuff, I won't use it, but I use it for stuff like that. But you can see here, you have bit set that's included. I believe, what is this, 10 bits here? There's 10 bits. Wait, there's also these here, so I'd include these, that'd be 12. Take this out first. Here we go, is the charging cable. It's a USB Type C here. You guys can see that. And this is the adapter for your bits. It's magnetic. Then you have another one here. I guess it's an extra Phillips bit for some reason, because they already give us like 3 different ones. Just a different size. I believe is a different size from the other ones. Then you got all these, the other bits that they give you here. Flat heads, Phillips, Torx, it looks like. I have no idea what the heck these are called. But you got 2 of them, whatever the heck those are. And the main reason while everybody came, the screwdriver itself. And you can see the controls here. There's your power. You can change it to whatever you want. Okay. And it has 2 LED lights here, right in the front. So it comes charged. It comes charged and ready to go. I don't know if it's fully charged or not, but it has power in it. Then you go to the rear here. This is where the USB type C plugs in to charge it in the back here. So this is on low setting. You guys hear that? Oh, I'm gonna change it to medium. It sounds basically the same to me, but all right, now put it on max setting. So it sounds the same. So the only thing I think that changes basically is the torque. The torque changes when you switch it, but for other purposes, it sounds basically the same to me. Okay? And also this wireless screwdriver comes with a 3-year warranty. So make sure you guys remember that. You get 3-year warranty on this. And I've used it putting PCs together, taking out some screws. It has pretty good torque on it. So, you know, I wouldn't use it for major construction or anything, but when you have a little screws that you need to take out, this could be really helpful. You know, it gets the job done. So I would recommend this to anyone, you know, working on stuff like computers, other electronics, you know, certain bolts, you know, outside the case that you can take off without damaging, you know. You don't want to use it on the really delicate stuff, but like taking cases apart, stuff like that. But yeah, I would recommend this. I like the build, but it's, you know, usually these things, there's like a it's molded plastic. So that's the usual with these things. But it's a pretty good cordless screwdriver. Got 4 volts max lithium batteries in it, so it's pretty good. So I would recommend it. Okay guys, so I thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.